In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your business manager account name on Facebook. Let's go. So here's what you need to do. You need to go to business.facebook.com and then you select the business manager that you want, the business account that you want to change the name of. Once you've selected it here, you go to setting and then you click here, business account, right at the top. And as you can see, this gives you the business account info. Now click here, edit. And I am going to be able to change the name of my business account. So I could put, let's just say I'm going to put, I don't actually use this, so doesn't matter, but okay. So there you go. And I'm going to save it. That's it. That's how you change the name of a business manager account.
So that was easy, wasn't it? I created this video in answer to the question of one of my viewers just there. If you have a question, a specific question about Facebook, using Facebook for your business, any question at all, please check my tutorials playlist, Facebook tutorials playlist, but also don't hesitate to ask me the question, post the question in the comments. I'm super happy to make these short videos for you that can be helpful for you, especially if you're using Facebook for your business. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a like if you did, subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content, obviously. And I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.